Let's proceed to explore a resource type called the book. So the book is just like the page resource, but this is has many or several pages or chapters. So the way to add a book is you go to add an activity or resource, then select the book resource. Select add, give your book a title. So in my book, I want to create a book which is about the role of an online facilitator. The role of an online facilitator. The role of an online facilitator. So that's the name of my book. So in the description, I'll give a description so that to the students, telling them to read through the book pages. Within the pages, you will be provided with videos to watch and some audio recordings to listen. So within the pages, you will be provided with videos to watch and audio recordings. So make your summaries from the recordings. So you're going to create for them a book. And within it, they'll be provided with videos, audio recordings, and even images. Okay, so once you have created the page, click Save and Display. Then you start to add the chapters. So my first chapter would be Introduction. So I'll be providing an introduction. So in the introduction, I'll be describing a facilitator. So that is my first chapter. I will put the content of my first chapter. So let me just copy some text here and add it to I'll also put in a video. I want to embed a video here. So I'll go to YouTube, click share, copy the embed code of my video, come back to my first chapter or page of my book, select this icon show or add buttons, then select HTML button, this one, go to the bottom of the page and paste my embed code there. Then I click this to go back to the normal view. So I've put in some text, I've added in a video. So let me add some audio recording. So I have recorded an audio lecture which I want to add to this page of my book. So the audio lecture is there. So I want to attach it here. To attach my audio lecture, I'll pick this menu item on add or edit audio stroke video file. I want to add an audio file. So I'll pick audio, click browse repositories. Then I'll pick the audio from my computer. So I'm picking an audio from my computer. Click upload this file. Then insert media, this button, insert media. So it has attached my audio file here. I want to add an image so after they have read this excerpt, they'll watch a video, listen to an audio lecture. Then I want to add an image here, which I may want them to explore the video, explore the image and note down your key observations. So I just want to give them an image which is related to the roles of a facilitator, and then they're supposed to make some summaries based on what they are able to identify. So I'll pick an image on my desktop. So I can check so that I don't put any description, or I can put the description here, say roles of a facilitator. I can change the dimensions of the image, so I can make mine a bit big. Okay, then save changes. So I've added text, I've added an video, audio, and even an image. Then I can save changes. So I have added my first page to my book. So let me add the second page. To add the second page, I click this particular button here. So my second page, I can put in more content on facilitator impact. So I want to see put in some information on facilitator impact. Can put in the content of my facilitator impact topic here. So I'll start with can put the title. Okay, I can make it bold so that it's known as it is identified as a title. Then I can pick the content of that section. Let me copy some content and put it there. And let me format it and remove the bold, my content. Let me embed a video here after the content, so I can go to YouTube and pick this particular video, this TED Talk. Maybe I want my students to watch the TED Talk on facilitator impact. So I'll copy the embed code, this embed code of this TED Talk, then come here, then pick this HTML, and I embed the video. Click here to go back. I've added the video. You can add an image if you want. You can add an audio recording if you want. Once you're done, click Save Changes. So I've actually created a book, and the book has 2 pages or 2 chapters. Okay, so I can go back to my course. I can turn editing off. So then I can go back to my course so that I can actually see how my course is building up. So you see, I've added a page and I've added a book. Okay, and my book has 2 chapters. So the students can actually read chapter 1, Introduction to a Facilitator, then the second chapter on Impact of a Facilitator. So that is how you add a book resource.